Bola Ahmed Tinubu yesterday announced the removal of fuel subsidy. The announcement, though expected, caused immediate panic as filling stations throughout the country stopped selling fuel and selling at exorbitant prices. Former President Muhammadu Buhari was given a hero welcome in Daura as he finally bowed out of Aso Rock after 8 years. The Labour Party, meanwhile, has condemned the inaugural speech of Tinubu, calling it shallow and inaccurate. The party claims that the election that brought him into power is fraudulent and should not stand. Former Vice President of Nigeria, Professor Yemi Osibanjo, yesterday lost his blue tag on Twitter. The senior advocate of Nigeria changed his bio on the site and immediately lost his blue tag. Fuel queues are back in the filling stations across the country, with different Nigerians groaning as they have to queue for hours to get fuel. Is the fuel subsidy removal a good thing or bad thing?